Hello friends, here we are discussing about GPSTR 2017 2 marks question answers of mathematics with answers, right? So let me start with the first question. Before starting the answers, let me say something. Here in this channel I am uploading CATET, CTET papers and GPSTR papers. So for more updates, just like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Let me start with the first question here. Find the smallest 3-digit number which when increased by 5 is divisible by 48, 32 and 24. Here you need to find the 3-digit number. So which will be divisible by these three numbers. So what I have taken here is I have just taken the LCM of these three numbers. Here you can see, right? So just make use of these values and find the LCM, and I have got the answer as 96. But in this question they are asking about to find the LCM of 3-digit number. So you need to find the LCM of 3-digit number. So I have just multiplied the 96 with 2 just to make it a 3-digit number. So I have got here 192 here. And in the question they are asking that which when increased by 5. So which when increased by 5 must be divisible by these three numbers. So it means it has been already increased by 5. You just need to subtract the 5 to get the original number. So here the original number will be 187, right? Now come to question number 2. Simplify 2 raised to 0 plus 3 raised to 1 into 4 raised to 0 plus 5 into 6 minus 4 plus 6, which is divisible by 12, right? You can write in this pattern also, but here you need to find the BODMAS rule. So for that I have written the answer here. You can see, just write the question as it is and just write 2 raised to 0, 4 raised to 0 values. You're going to get the values as 1, 1. Just put their values, and 5 into 6 will be 30. Here write the same thing as it is. First you do the multiplication, then addition, then go for the division, then you are going to get the answer as 3. Right? Just not to lose the marks, make use of the BODMAS rule in a proper way. Now come to question number 3. There are 5 terms in an arithmetic progression. They are talking about the 5 terms in an AP. So I have just taken here 5 terms: A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. And the last term is 4 times the first term. Here they have given the condition. You can see here the last term is 5th term is 4 times the first term. Here I have written 5th term is 4 times the first term. They have given in the question, and with that they have also given if the middle term is 20. Middle term, what is the middle term? A3 is 20. Then find the terms in arithmetic progression. Then find the value of A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. Just make use of these values and make use of these conditions here. First condition, apply the formula of A5, A plus 4D. Then find out an equation and name as equation number 2. Here is the equation number 1. A3 I have written as A plus 2D, and they have given the value in the question only, right? Just simplify these two questions, then you are going to get the value of A. Put this value in any one of the equation 1 or 2, then you are going to get the value of D. Then make use of the value of A and D just to find A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. So this is about third question. Now come to question number 4 here. In question number 4 they have given P of x value as well as Q of x value, and they are asking that, and they are giving that HCF of these two polynomials is x minus 1 and x plus 2, and they are asking to find the value of A and B. So what is your work is that you just write these two values as equal to 0, then find the value of x as according to the question. Then try to put these values of x in P of x equation as well as in Q of x equation. Then you are going to get the values of A and B as you can see in the answer, right? Yes. Now let's move to the next question. See here the question. The sides of a triangular field are in the ratio. They have given the ratio of the sides 3:5:7. If the perimeter of the field is 450 meter, they have given the perimeter of a triangle as the 450. As you can see, P is equal to 450. Then find the area of the field. They are asking to find the area of the field, area of a triangle, right? So what I have making here is that I have make use of axiom I have multiplied with x. 3x, 5x and 7x is the ratio which was given in the question, and the perimeter value is given in the question as 450. I have just found the value of semi-perimeter by dividing by 2. So, and then find the value of x here by adding all the values. As you know, perimeter is nothing but the sum of all sides. Just add all the sides and find the value of x here. You are going to get the value of x as 30. Then make use the value of S, A, B, C. Your A, B, C will be, A will be this side, B will be this side and C will be this side. Just multiply 3, 5 and 7 with the x value, that is 30. Then you are going to get the values of A, B, C. Then put all the values in this formula. Then you are going to get the answer as you can see here, right? Now let's move to the next question. From a lighthouse, the angles of depressions of two ships on opposite sides of a lighthouse were observed to be 45 degree and 60 degree. There is a lighthouse and the angle of depression from a line will be 45 and 60 degree. If the height of the lighthouse is 120 meter, you can see I have marked here the height as 120 meter. If the line joining the two ships passes through the foot of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. Here the ship's location is here, this and this. So they need to find the distance between the two ships, right? Just need to find the value of x plus y. So for that, what I have make use of here is that first make use of alternate interior angle. Then you can find the value of angle here 45 degree and 60 by making use of AIO, alternate interior angle. Then make use of tan theta formula, tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. So you are going to get the value of x as 120. As you know, tan 45 degree will be 1. And apply the tan 60 degree for this triangle, second triangle. Then you are going to get the value as 40 root 3. Yes, then need to find the value of x plus y. Just add these two values. You are going to get the answer. You can see here, right? Now come to the next question. If m and n are the zeros of a polynomial, what they have given in the question, if m and n are the zeros of a polynomial, they have given the polynomial here such that m minus n here is equal to 1, then find the value of c. So they are asking to find the value of c. Just make use of the polynomial what they have given here. Find the value of a, b, c from here only, right? Then as you know, the sum of zeros will be m plus n, which is equal to minus b by a, formula is there, and the product of zeros m into n equal to c by a, formula is there. Just substitute all those values, then you are going to get the value as 7 and c by 1. And here you are having the one more formula, m minus n whole square equal to m plus n whole square minus 4mn. Just substitute all those values, then you are going to get the answer as c equal to 12. So this is the correct answer. Many ways are there to solve the question. You can use your own way also, but I have make use of this method. Yes. Now come to next question. In a regular polygon, the measure of each exterior angle is 25% of the measure of the interior angle. What they have given in the question? Exterior angle is 25% of the interior angle. 25% I have written in the form of 25 by 100. Then you are going to get 1 upon 4th of I, right? Then you can write I as, you can shift the 4 from here to here, then you are going to get the I value as 4 times of exterior angle. Interior angle equal to 4 times of exterior angle. Then what they are asking to find, calculate the number of sides of a polygon. Then they are asking to find the value of n here. Just to find the value of n, you need to find the total interior angle, right? Total value of I you need to find. For that, make use of this sum of two angles. Sum of interior and the exterior angle will always be equal to 180 degree. Make use of that value. Then you are going to find the value of E there. Then substitute E value here in this equation. Then you are going to get 4 into 36, which you are going to get as 144, right? So by making use of I value, you can find the number of sides of a polygon. Here you are having the formula for that. Total interior angle equal to n minus 2 divided by n into 180 degrees there. Just put the value of I and just take the value of n from there to there. Then you are going to get the answer for n as 10. So the polygon, the number of sides of a polygon here you got is the 10. Now come to next question. This is the last question of this video. right? A bag contains 8 black and 6 green balls. In how many ways a child can pick 7 balls from the bag so that the picked balls contain at least 6 black balls? So what they are asking, that in a bag there is 8 black and 6 green balls. So what is the total number of balls you are going to have? It is 14. In how many ways a child can pick 7 balls? You need to pick the 7 balls from a bag, right? From the bag, so that the picked ball contain at least 6 black ball. At least, here they have given the condition here that at least means a maximum of 6 black ball will be there, or a maximum of 7 black balls will be there. But the sum should be equal to what? 8 here. Sorry, the sum should be equal to 7 here, because you are picking only 7 balls. So 6 plus 1 will be 7, and 7 plus 0 will be 7 only. Just put the values. As you are selecting here, so make use of combination. In arrangement you have to make use of permutation, right? You are selecting balls, so make use of combination. Out of 8 black balls you are selecting 6 black balls, and out of 6 green balls you are selecting only 1. Here out of 8 black balls you are selecting 7 black balls, and from out of 6 you are not selecting any green balls, so 0 here. Just make use of the formula for 8C6, then you are going to get the answer here as it is. So just you got the answer as 176. So this is for today. Thank you so much. Let's meet on the next video.